And here is another frequently asked question on reverse mortgages. Does the bank own my home? You know, when I do the reverse mortgage, and the answer is on a government reverse mortgage, it's absolutely not. For example, if you get a reverse mortgage and then it closes, the very next day you could sell that house and pay no penalties for that whatsoever. There's no prepayment penalties. You could refinance it, what have you. It's your home. You're going to still have to pay your taxes on it, obviously, because it's your own home. So you pay your taxes and you pay your insurance, and you know, obviously you're going to upkeep your home and all that. But it is always your home no matter what. So you could do with it whatever you want to. And again, you could will it to whomever you want to. The bank is not going to take the home when you pass on. It is yours to do whatever you want. Now, here's another thing to look at it. When you pass away with the equity goes right to your heirs. Now, also, when, let's just say, if you do pass away and there is a lot of excess, or you're upside down on the property, and the kids get the property, well, they don't have to do anything with it right away. Eventually, they're going to have to either try to refinance it or sell it or what have you. There's a lot of people out there with their reverse mortgages. When their parents pass away, they'll turn around and they'll even rent it out while they're figuring out what they're planning on doing with the property. So and again, it's typically what a bank will give you is 6 months to try to refinance that home for the heirs to get the home. If you can't refinance it at that particular point, they'll give you, let's say, another 6 months or so. You know, it's usually up to the lender's discretion at that particular point. If you couldn't do it, then they'll also give you the option to go ahead and try to sell the home. So, and during all this time, you know, the home could be rented out or what have you. You could do it, the kids could be living in the house, they could be living rent-free or what have you. But it's still the home of whomever inherits that home. So these are some things that you know, maybe a lot of people don't realize, and they think, oh, well, if I get the reverse mortgage, or if my parents get it and I inherit the home, I'm going to go ahead and sell it or give back to the bank the next day. That is not the way that it's set up with HUD. So if you wanted to do that, obviously you could feel free to go ahead and do that. But if you wanted to, you know, take your time with it, if you needed the house for whatever purpose, you could certainly go ahead and use it for that particular purpose. So these are just some things that most people don't know about that I want to explain to you.